Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim and powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. Looking into the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and you have this rugged cargo floor underneath of which you have your full-size spare with some extra room around. And then on either side you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet, and you have this button to activate your cargo lights here that can be articulated to shine where you need them. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and ActiveX interior, full-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a USB, USB-C, and 110-volt power outlet. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches, as well as molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing, fuel economy, and then you can also go into service info and some other settings. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls. You have adaptive cruise control with distance spacing technology, lane centering, or adaptive steering. And then you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls, hazards, auto start, stop, shut off, a little tray area there, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. Down below that, you have this area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and a wireless charging pad. So if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, two cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, and your GOAT mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty roomy with another USB and USB-C inside, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.